It's normal if your AC unit is making a clicking noise at the startup and shutdown of the cooling cycle. However, constant or ongoing clicking is not typical. If you hear these noises from your AC unit, it could be a sign of an obstruction in an AC fan, a faulty electrical signal, a loose or out of balance fan, a malfunctioning thermostat. To remedy an AC fan obstruction, turn off the power at the breaker, lift the outdoor unit covers, and wipe the fans clean. If it's not from an obstruction, it is recommended to contact an HVAC professional to fix the issue.